Hello all, welcome back. You are watching Let's Learn with Fun, and today we are going to make a beautiful butterfly with a craft paper. It's super easy to make a butterfly with a craft paper. So let us start making a butterfly. All you will need is a square piece of paper, a craft paper or anything that is square, and fold it according to the video. So enjoy making the butterfly. And here is your butterfly ready to fly. Let me know in the comment box, is the video helpful to you or not. Press the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos. Thank you for watching the full video. Bye bye.